Best practices for building Power BI dashboards. Elevate your decision-making with Power BI best practices. Transform scattered data into powerful, decision-ready dashboards. Power BI's best practices help you deliver insights faster, with greater clarity and trust, empowering confident business moves. How Power BI best practices work for you. Data model mastery. Use star schemas and relationships to speed up queries and drive insights. Smart visualization. Choose the right charts, declutter visuals, and ensure consistency for clear dashboards. Peak performance. Streamline DAX, enable refresh, and keep dashboards fast, even with large data. Why Power BI best practices matter. Clarity. Deliver insights that everyone can understand at a glance. Efficiency. Cut load times by up to 50% with better models. Scalability. Seamlessly move from simple dashboards to enterprise-level analytics. Ready to build dashboards that actually perform? See how Random Tree's Power BI best practices turn data into clear, trusted insights.